said no more tarantulas until the BTS. So thanks Spider Planet for having some amazing prices on a few species I couldn't do without. So let's get into the unboxing. Hello everybody, welcome back to this latest episode. I am your host Robbie and this is Robbie's Talking Teas, tarantula content for tarantula lovers like yourself. In today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing from an awesome seller called Spider Planet. Now I've seen this guy in a few groups and I thought, you know what, not got any tarantulas from him before, so I'll place an order and see what happens. So here, let's get into the video and show you how we did. So here we are with the unboxing. Got a box from Spider Planet UK. I am going to bore you with making you watch me open up the box and whatnot. So let's just show you what's inside. This is awesomely packed, by the way, Emil. Lots of bubble wrap. A little bit of tin foil. So, let's show you what's inside. Lots of tin foil. And a little pot. Oh, these are going to be absolutely tiny. Yeah, they are. Absolutely tiny. Glad I've got little vials for these. Right. So, first up, in this tiny little vial, you can see it there, sitting in the top, we have Cereopagopus von Worthy. In the next little vial, we've got Flamingocylus arboricola, which is in there. We also have Cereopagopus green femur. Now I've been after these for a very long time. They are so sexy when they grow up. Put a little picture up so you guys can all see what it looks like. So let's get into the rehousing. So the first one we're going to rehouse is the Flamingocylus arboricola. Wanted one of these for a very long time. So it was nice to see one at a great price. Now I've got the species Rufus that you saw in a rehousing video not long ago. So it'll be nice to have another Flamingocylus species in the collection. Oh, calm down mate, not yet. File's been open for all of 20 seconds and this little dude or dudette is out and on the table. And is now in the vial. Looking great. Let's get a bit better light so you can see it. There it is. Awesome little slings. Just give it a little spray. And it's probably going to be thirsty after its trip. So, the next one we are going to do is the Cereopagopus von Worthy. Just going in this tub here. So glad I had these vials left over from previous orders. Otherwise I would have been screwed right now. I've had a load of enclosures that are just way too big. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop this lid open like so. Turn this round. Give this a little poke till this little dude decides to go into the vial and stay there. So the last thing I want is a little tiny Cereopagopus running around the house. There it is. Let's give it a little drop of water. Oh, and he's out. Another one. Ready to bolt out. In you go. It's not a rehousing video from me, is it? Unless they bolt out all over the place. Okay. We have a runner. So, after a little bit of searching, managed to find it. How tiny it is. You can see it in there running about. Took a good 5 minutes to find it on the tablecloth. Searching everywhere. It's lost a leg, but it'll be fine in its next molt. So let's move on to the last, but not least, of this unboxing. Cereopagopus vividus, the green femur. Now hopefully this one's not as bolty. I'm going to water the substrate first. That spooked it. That spooked the last one. And that's what made it leggy. Something got holes in this one. Not too big. Let's give it a bit of moisture. Hopefully this one we have a lot better luck with. 2 rehoused so far, 2, well, both bolted across the room. But it wouldn't be a Robbie's Talking Teas video without that happening now, would it? See inside the vial? I can't wait for this one to get bigger. I really can't. Gotta be quick with the lid. Let you pop, little fella. No, you don't want to go back in. Do yourself a favour. Go into the stay in there. It's already wanting to come flying out of the vial. It's probably the best shot I'm going to get of it, because I don't want to risk another bolter. And there we have it. 3 teas from spiderplanet.co.uk. Awesome service, awesome prices, so give them a go. So that was the unboxing. I think you'll agree those were some awesome species, some great prices. Couldn't believe it when I first went on the website and was like, oh my god, I've got to have those. At that price, I can't say no. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Now before we go, I just want to mention that if you've been here before, I really appreciate you. You're the reason why I make content. But if it's your first time here, then please consider hitting the subscribe button so we can reach our 1,000 subscriber giveaway quicker, which is an awesome prize, I think, the £200 mystery box from the Spider Shop. So make sure you hit that button. I'll see you in the next video. See you later.